friend, this is regarding how to use Samsung Cloud. If you are using a Samsung mobile phone, you can have this Samsung account Samsung account, and you will get 15 GB of data storage, cloud storage. And of course, if you are using other service also, you will have, like for iCloud it's 5 GB, and other brand also provide free cloud storage. So from here, go to settings and from settings go to this cloud and accounts, and you see Samsung Cloud. You see it is providing 15 GB of free storage. It's a basic plan, it's a free plan, and you can sync your gallery also and other sync data. And the important thing is you can backup this phone. You see, when you backup this phone, if you lose your phone also, you can have your call history, this messages or contacts available, settings also, even the home screen settings also, even the app also, documents, voice record, even the music also. So you can just back up and you can restore, and you can do this in one. You see, I have another phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and here I can restore all the settings and messages, everything of that phone on this phone, this Galaxy J7 Prime. So this is a very useful feature. So you can backup. When you do backup, it will be backup in the cloud on your available 15 GB cloud storage. So it's a very useful feature. You should always, so you don't need to worry if whenever in case if your phone got stolen or it's misplaced, or your phone you lost it, someone stole it. So it's a very useful feature. You see, these are other accounts, but I was talking about the Samsung Cloud. So it's a very useful feature. You can even sync, you can buy plan other storage plan also, but it's no need. So that's it. So friend, that's a very useful feature. Don't forget to backup your phone using the own storage, a cloud storage provided by the device maker. Now I'm talking about Samsung because I'm using a Samsung phone now, that's why. So that's it. It is about how to use your Samsung Cloud. So that's it. Thanks for watching.